Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to remove the Capcut watermark that usually appear at the end of our project or our video. And first of all, if you want to remove the Capcut watermark, go to your Capcut and import your video or photo to your project. And let's go to the end of the video, and this is the end. And we're gonna click on this ending right here. Just simply click on it. Alright, after that, we can click on delete option right here to remove the ending or the Capcut watermark. Alright guys, and now the Capcut watermark has been removed from our video, and actually there is another way to remove the Capcut watermark. We can go to the Capcut home, then we gotta click on this settings menu on the top right corner of your screen. Then we gotta turn off the default ending. Right here, just click on the toggle button, then click on discard. Okay guys, that's how we can remove Capcut watermark or Capcut ending from our project. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.